now my pleasure to introduce our closing keynote speaker, Curtis Campogni. For those who have heard Curtis speak in the past, you know he delivers on bringing the energy and enthusiasm, and he has promised he's got something special in store for all of us today, for all of us today, for all of us today, for all of us today.
Hi, I'm Curtis Campogni, the voice behind Speak4MC, Speak for Maggie's Change. And for years, I've worked with professionals who are interested in helping people. In short, I help people who help people. Whether I'm on stage in training sessions or having one-on-one conversations, it's all about inspiring change, growth, and action. Understanding that if you could drive thinking, thinking drives behavior. Speak4MC started as a simple idea. What if we helped people who help people? Speak4MC provides training, motivational talks, personal reflections on parenting, resilience, and working through adversity. We ask tough questions. We have important conversations because we understand to create a long-term sustainable impact, we have to do it together. This channel is different because we believe everyone has in them what it takes to succeed. And this channel will help you inspire some thought, evoke that action, draw on your strengths, share ideas that'll spark something that could lead to change. It's not just about watching a video on YouTube, it's about being a part of something, a community, growth, helping people who want to help people. So we need you, I need you. Hit that subscribe button, like a video, drop a comment, and you might have noticed that Speak4MC used to stand for Speak for Motivating Change, but now it speaks for the most important M in my life, Maggie. Welcome to Speak for Maggie's Change. Hit that subscribe button. See you soon.